and Georgia, how are you both?
Great, how are you?
Doing well, thanks. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you.
Looking forward to chatting with you about drinks this morning.
Yeah, it's never a bad time to chat about drinks.
You know, it never is. So what are some of your favorite drink recipes?
Well, I mean, we are big fans of innovative cocktails. I think everyone has had classic cocktails, but we love something that just excites people. And that's why when Mama Walkers asked us to start creating some recipes for them, we tried their new line of their breakfast-inspired liqueurs, and they're really phenomenal. They've got a glazed donut, they have a blueberry pancake, and a maple bacon, and they're a great base to cocktails, but they're also really good on their own, so we're pretty giddy about it.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun kind of testing new recipes. We invited some girlfriends over and forced them to try these recipes. So we came up with some really fun flavors. The maple bacon is really great right now with a Bloody Mary, obviously.
Yeah.
And then the glazed donut, like coffee, that's all you need.
Coffee, glazed donut, put them together, drink it, it's amazing.
Yeah.
And I really, really love the blueberry pancake because it's a little buttery, but it's still tart and sweet. And so it works really well in like a lemon-based cocktail, lemon juice, agave, and fresh blueberries, and it's also really good in a wine spritzer. So it was really fun for us to try it on their own and then to sort of try and figure out what cocktails could use all the depth of flavor that they have.
And they're good on their own, but you can make a crazy cocktail, but you can also just do something like, which I love, is maple bacon and then Jameson. And that's it.
Done.
You don't have to get crazy with it.
Yeah.
It's still delicious.
Our friends went bananas for this. They went crazy. They were all interneting about it, and even like our snobbiest cocktail friends were like, this is amazing.
Yeah. It's hard to please them, and they loved it.
It's fun. I think what's fun about getting together with your friends is, anytime, not for breakfast, but, even for a late lunch, for a dinner, for dessert cocktails is something that people are excited about and want to try and will talk about. And that's really what we found with this. People just go crazy for it. So it's been really fun.
Yeah, nice job, Mama Walkers.
Yep.
And what inspired this new line?
I think breakfast. I think everyone loves breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day, but brunch is the best meal of the week. And there's something so comforting about pancakes and donuts and dipping a slice of bacon and maple that I think everyone is really nostalgic for. So they really tapped into this very comforting taste that we're all so familiar with.
Yeah, we have this ritual that when someone's having a bad day or having a bad month or anything, we get late night pancakes.
Yep.
And the word "let's get pancakes" has just become this kind of, it just means that I need to talk to you about something and eat a huge plate of diner pancakes. So this kind of taps into that of like hanging out with your best friends and talking and having a late night kind of delicious cocktail.
Yeah, bonding over something delicious and suddenly nothing seems so bad anymore.
No, it doesn't. And the weekend almost upon us. What's a great drink recipe?
I love the maple bacon Bloody Mary. I think it's really, really great.
We also made a really great cocktail with the glazed donut. I mean, who doesn't love a lemon-filled glazed donut?
Yeah.
So we made a lemon glazed donut cocktail that tastes like a lemon-filled donut, and you can find that on mamawalker.com.
It's so good.
Oh my
and
gosh.
they're really easy, not too many ingredients, because I think the flavors are so layered in each of the liqueurs that you don't have to do a bunch of infusing on your own. You don't need 17 different ingredients. You can really make some complex and delicious cocktails using it as a base spirit, which has been great.
And do you have any additional tips or information you'd like to share with us?
Well, you can find out more about it. They're 70 proof liqueurs, and mamawalker.com has a lot of information, so you can find out where you can get your hands on some.
You can also go to Facebook, and it's Mama Walkers, and then the Twitter is Mama_Walker, and you can find us there too, and you can tell us what your favorite flavor is, or what your favorite recipe is, or ask us for recipes. Gently stalk us.
Gently.
Gently.
I can't wait to try them. Thank you both so much. I appreciate it.
Of course, Candace. Thanks for having us.
Of course. Have a great afternoon.
You too.
Thanks. Bye-bye.